This is our PP hollow corrugated sheet production line. First part is mixer for mix raw material PP pellets and color master batch. The extruder is a single screw extruder. Diameter is 120 millimeter. What you are seeing is our client's factory. When you arrange a new factory, you need to calculate the distance between mixer and hollow, raw material storage silo and extruder. The distance should be reasonable, not too far, not too short. This PP hollow corrugated sheet production line can produce PP hollow sheet width is 2.1 meters and the thickness between 2 millimeter up to 6 millimeter. By changing different die head, different mold lip, you can make different thickness of PP hollow sheet. The maximum we can make from 6 mm up to 12 mm. PP hollow corrugated sheet is totally automatic with Corona equipment. After this basic extrusion production line, you can do printing on the surface to make different kinds of final product as your market. If you are interested with this kind of PP hollow and corrugated sheet machine, please contact us.